Hi guys, welcome back to Vertical Preps. So today we are going to look on this question. It was a YA question from 2011, okay? From 2011. So we are given that root x is equal to 10 to the power 1.6741. Without using calculators, we should find the value of x. So we are having root of x, which is equal to 10 to the exponent 1.6741. Good. So with this, our first thing we have to do is to square both sides of the equation. So squaring both sides of the equation, like this. Good. So you can see that this will take care of the square root, because since square root is the same as 1 over 2, so it's going to be 1 over 2 times 2. So you see that the 2 cancel 2, leaving x is equal to 10 exponent 1.6741 power 2. Now, don't forget that power rule, okay, using the laws of exponents, we have a to the power m and is being multiplied by n is the same as a to the power m multiplying by n. You see? Good. So our equation now becomes x is equal to 10 to the power 2 multiplying by 1.6741. You see? Good. And we can say that 2 multiplied by 1.6741 is giving us 3.3482, like this. So our equation becomes x is equal to 10 to the power 3.3482. So therefore, the value of x is 10 to the power 3.3482. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.